Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Tired of the same old in your home? Today, we're showcasing 15 amazing gadgets from Amazon that will transform your living space into a haven of convenience, fun, and maybe even a touch of the future. Let's jump right in. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos. Smart plug. Take control of your electronics with a smart plug. Turn on lamps, adjust fans, or even schedule coffee makers to brew, all from your phone. Talk about convenience. A smart plug is a device that plugs into a standard electrical outlet and allows you to control power to a device plugged into it remotely using your smartphone, tablet, or voice assistant. This enables you to turn electronics on or off from anywhere, schedule them to turn on or off at specific times, and even monitor their energy use. Here are some of the benefits of using smart plugs. Convenience. You can turn on or off electronics from anywhere in the world, as long as you have an internet connection. Security. You can create the illusion that you are home even when you are not by scheduling lights or lamps to turn on and off at certain times. Energy savings. You can save energy by turning off electronics that you are not using. Remote control. You can control your electronics with your voice using a smart speaker like Amazon Echo or Google Home. Smart plugs are a great way to add some smarts to your home and make your life a little bit easier. There are a variety of smart plugs on the market, so you can find one that fits your needs and budget. Robot vacuum. Say goodbye to dust bunnies. A robot vacuum roams your floors, sucking up dirt and debris while you relax. Imagine clean floors without lifting a finger. A robot vacuum is an autonomous cleaning device that uses a combination of sensors and artificial intelligence to navigate around a room and vacuum dirt, dust, and debris. They are a great way to keep your floors clean without having to spend time manually vacuuming. Here are some of the benefits of using a robot vacuum. Convenience. Robot vacuums can be scheduled to clean your floors on a regular basis, so you don't have to think about it. Time saving. They can free up your time to do other things. Improved air quality. By regularly removing dirt, dust, and allergens from your floors, robot vacuums can help to improve the air quality in your home. Reaches tight spaces. Because of their small size, robot vacuums can get under furniture and into other tight spaces that you might miss with a traditional vacuum cleaner. Quiet operation. Many robot vacuums are very quiet, so you can run them even when you are home. Here are some things to consider when choosing a robot vacuum. Price. Robot vacuums range in price from around $100 to $1,000 or more. Features. Some robot vacuums have more features than others, such as the ability to mop floors, self-empty their dust bins, or avoid obstacles. Floor type. Some robot vacuums are better suited for hard floors, while others are better for carpets. Pet hair. If you have pets, you will need a robot vacuum that can handle pet hair. Smart diffuser. Transform your home environment with a smart diffuser. Add essential oils for a calming aroma, or use it as a humidifier for those dry winter days. Plus, control it all from your phone. A smart diffuser is an essential oil diffuser that allows you to control it remotely using your smartphone, tablet, or voice assistant. It offers the same aromatherapy benefits of a traditional diffuser, but with added features and convenience. Here are some of the features of smart diffusers. Remote control. Turn on or off the diffuser, adjust the mist level, and control the light settings from your smartphone or with voice commands. Scheduling. Create a schedule for the diffuser to turn on and off automatically at specific times. This is useful for setting a relaxing mood in the evening or diffusing essential oils throughout the day. Multiple mist levels. Choose from a low, medium, or high mist level to customize the amount of fragrance diffused into the air. Adjustable light settings. Many smart diffusers have built-in lights that can be changed to different colors or dimmed to create a relaxing atmosphere. App integration. Some smart diffusers can be integrated with other smart home devices, such as smart lights or thermostats, to create a more connected home experience. Here are some of the benefits of using a smart diffuser. Convenience. Control the diffuser from anywhere, even when you're not home. Customization. Create a personalized aromatherapy experience by adjusting the mist level, light settings, and schedule. Safety. Some smart diffusers have automatic shut-off features that turn off the diffuser when the water level is low, helping to prevent overheating. Aromatherapy benefits. Enjoy the same aromatherapy benefits of a traditional diffuser, such as stress relief, improved sleep, and increased focus. Motion sensor. Nightlight. Light your way in the dark without fumbling for switches. Motion sensor nightlights turn on automatically when they detect movement, perfect for hallways and bathrooms. A motion sensor nightlight is a type of nightlight that uses a built-in motion sensor to turn on automatically when it detects movement in the dark and turns off after a set amount of time of inactivity. They are a great way to provide light in areas where you need it most, such as hallways, bathrooms, and kitchens, without having to keep a light on all night. Here are some of the benefits of using a motion sensor nightlight. Convenience. They provide light when you need it and turn off automatically when you don't, so you don't have to worry about fumbling for a light switch in the dark. Safety. They can help to prevent accidents by providing light in areas where you might trip or bump into something. Energy savings. Since they only turn on when motion is detected, they can help you save on your energy bills. Security. Motion sensor nightlights can be used to deter potential intruders by giving the impression that someone is home. Here are some things to consider when choosing a motion sensor nightlight. Brightness. Choose a nightlight that is bright enough to provide adequate light without being too glaring. Sensor range. Consider the range of the motion sensor and make sure it covers the area where you need light. Auto shut-off time. Choose a nightlight with an auto shut-off time that is long enough for you to walk through the area without the light turning off. Power source. Motion sensor nightlights can be plugged into an outlet, battery-powered, or rechargeable. Color. Some motion sensor nightlights come in a variety of colors, so you can choose one that matches your decor. Under-cabinet lighting. Upgrade your kitchen with sleek under-cabinet lighting. This provides extra task lighting for meal prep and creates a modern, high-end feel. Under-cabinet lighting is typically installed underneath cabinets, shelves, or similar surfaces to provide localized task lighting on countertops and other work areas. It can also be used for ambient lighting or to create a decorative effect. There are a variety of under-cabinet lighting options available, including LED strip lights. These are long, thin lights that can be mounted directly under cabinets. They are energy efficient and come in a variety of colors and brightness levels. Puck lights. These are small, round lights that can be mounted individually under cabinets. They provide a more focused beam of light. Bar lights. These are linear lights that can be mounted under cabinets. They provide a wider beam of light than puck lights. Under-cabinet light fixtures. These are self-contained fixtures that come with everything you need to install them under your cabinets. Under-cabinet lighting can be a great way to improve the functionality and aesthetics of your kitchen or bathroom. Leak detector. Prevent plumbing disasters with a leak detector. This little gadget sounds an alarm if it detects moisture, giving you time to react before a small leak becomes a major headache. A leak detector is a device that is used to detect the presence of water leaks. They are a great way to prevent water damage in your home, which can be expensive and disruptive. There are two main types of leak detectors. Spot leak detectors. These detectors are typically placed in areas where leaks are most likely to occur, such as under sinks, washing machines, and water heaters. They may have a sensor that detects water directly, or they may use a cable that can sense moisture. Shut-off valves with leak detectors. These detectors are plumbed into your water supply line and can automatically shut off the water if a leak is detected. This can help to prevent major water damage. Here are some of the benefits of using leak detectors. Prevent water damage. Leak detectors can help to prevent water damage by detecting leaks early on. This can save you money on repairs and replacements. Reduce your insurance premiums. Some insurance companies offer discounts on homeowners insurance for homes that have leak detectors. Give you peace of mind. Knowing that you have leak detectors in your home can give you peace of mind. Smart watering system. Keep your plants happy and thriving with a smart watering system. It automatically delivers the perfect amount of water, even when you're away on vacation. No more coming home to wilted greenery. A smart watering system is an irrigation system that uses sensors and controllers to automate the watering of plants. This can help to conserve water, save time and money, and ensure that your plants are getting the right amount of water. Here are some of the components of a smart watering system. A smart hub. This is the central control unit of the system. It communicates with the other components of the system and allows you to control the system through an app or web interface. Sensors. These are placed in the soil and measure factors such as moisture level, sunlight, and temperature. This information is then sent to the smart hub. Sprinkler valves or drip irrigation systems. These are controlled by the smart hub and turn on and off to water your plants. A weather station, optional. This can provide the smart hub with information about the weather, such as rainfall, so that it can adjust the watering schedule accordingly. Smart speaker, Turn your home into a command center with a smart speaker. Play music, control lights, set alarms, and even get weather updates, all with your voice. A smart speaker is a wireless speaker and voice command device that uses an integrated virtual assistant to offer interactive actions and hands-free activation with the help of a hot word or wake word. They are essentially like voice-controlled personal assistants for your home. Here are some of the things you can do with a smart speaker. Play music, podcasts, and audiobooks. Get weather updates, news briefings, and sports scores. Set alarms and timers. Make calls with some models. Control smart home devices, lights, thermostats, locks, etc. Play games. Get information and ask questions. Smart speakers are becoming increasingly popular because they are a convenient way to control your home and access information hands-free. Smart speakers can be a great way to improve your home life. By considering the factors above, you can choose a smart speaker that is right for you. Projector screen. Movie nights just got an upgrade. A projector screen lets you transform any wall into a cinema-worthy experience. Perfect for family movie nights or backyard entertaining. A projector screen is a necessary component to project a clear and high-quality image for presentations, movies, or gaming. There are a variety of projector screens available, so it is important to consider your needs and budget before making a purchase. Here are some of the different types of projector screens. Manual pull-down screens. These are the most common type of projector screen and are a good option for budget-minded buyers. They are made of a fabric that is rolled up into a casing and can be pulled down manually when needed. Electric screens. These screens are more expensive than manual screens, but they are more convenient to use. They are motorized and can be lowered and raised with the touch of a button. Fixed frame screens. These screens are the most expensive type of projector screen, but they offer the best image quality. They are made of a fabric that is stretched over a frame and can be mounted on a wall or ceiling. By considering these factors, you can choose the right projector screen for your needs. Electric herb garden. Grow fresh herbs year-round with an electric herb garden. This countertop gadget provides the perfect environment for your favorite herbs, no matter the season. An electric herb garden is a countertop appliance that provides the ideal environment to grow herbs indoors all year round. Unlike traditional gardening, which requires sunlight and specific growing conditions, electric herb gardens utilize grow lights and a controlled environment to promote healthy herb growth. Here are some of the benefits of using an electric herb garden. Convenience. Electric herb gardens are very convenient to use. They are self-contained units that require minimal maintenance. Just add water and plant pods or seeds, and the grow lights and automatic watering system will take care of the rest. Fresh herbs year-round. You can enjoy fresh herbs all year round, regardless of the season or climate. This is especially beneficial if you live in an area with harsh winters or limited access to fresh produce. Easy to grow. Electric herb gardens are perfect for people who don't have a lot of experience with gardening. They are easy to set up and use, and they take the guesswork out of growing herbs. Space saving. Electric herb gardens are compact and don't take up a lot of counter space. This makes them a great option for people who live in apartments or small homes. If you are looking for a convenient and easy way to grow fresh herbs indoors all year round, an electric herb garden is a great option. There you have it, folks. 10 amazing gadgets to transform your home. Whether you crave convenience, a touch of luxury, or just a fun upgrade, there's something for everyone on this list. So head over to Amazon, check them out, and let us know in the comments below which gadget caught your eye. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more awesome home tech content. See you next time.